BMW 118 diesel particle filter being washed in the machine. Let's come off this car. Can you see? DPF has been taken out. It's being washed. We do before and after test results. This is who we are. The test results we do. You can reach me on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters. What we do. We are located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thanks for watching.